Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to activate eye comfort shield or enable eye comfort shield on your Samsung One UI 8 version. You can use this eye comfort shield feature to easily read in the dim light, also reduce the eye strain on your Samsung device. So, very helpful feature if you want to access your device in the night. So, go to the settings on your device, scroll down up to display, tap on a display. Now here you can find the eye comfort shield option. By default you can see toggle off it. So toggle on it to enable eye comfort shield on your device. Now here just toggle on the option to activate the eye comfort shield in Samsung One UI 8 version. Here too you can see two options, adaptive and custom. Adaptive means automatically adjust your screen color based on the time of the day. So it will automatically adjust your screen color of the time of the day. You will see minor adjustment during the day and significantly warmer colors at the night. Or you can select the custom option. In the custom, you can set the schedule always on sunset to sunrise or custom. In the custom, you can set the start time and time. So automatically turn on the eye comfort shield. Also increase or decrease the color temperature of your screen. So when you decrease it and when you increase, you can see the warmer color. So that will helpful to reduce your eye strain in the night on the device. So you can also adjust the color temperature. So select the option from the adaptive or custom you want to set as a eye comfort shield on a Samsung One UI 8 version. It will helpful to keep your eyes by limiting the blue light and using the warmer colors. So that will helpful to easily fall asleep on your night. So if you don't want to use, just toggle up it to turn off the eye comfort shield on your Samsung One UI 8 or any other latest Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.